When we first started our own business, we thought any client who paid our bills was a good client, but we learned the hard way. Not every client is created equal. When we started working with clients who aligned with our style and values, something incredible happened. I felt free to create, free to explore, free to grow. I'm Brenda Bergreen, and today in the third video of this success series, we're talking about finding the right clients who don't just pay your bills, but unlock creativity, protect your energy, and let you focus on what truly matters. In the first video, I talked about how chasing success nearly crushed my creativity. In the second, I talked about redefining success. It's time to round it out by learning how to pick the right clients. Rise higher, live deeper, and let's get into it. Most photographers chase clients like it's a numbers game. More leads, more bookings, more contracts. And while that can keep you busy, it doesn't necessarily make your work better or your life easier. The wrong clients drain you. They demand styles that don't align with your vision. They push you into endless revisions. They stress you out and make you compromise your creative voice. We used to say yes to almost everyone. At first, it felt like an opportunity, but after a while, it was clear. The wrong clients were taking more energy than they were giving. My energy was drained, my creativity stifled, my work felt flat. And that's when I realized success isn't just about booking, it's about choosing wisely. The solution? Get clear on the kind of clients you want to work with and start saying no to the rest. The right clients respect your vision, challenge you creatively, and align with your values and your style. Let's talk through some practical tips. Align values and expectations up front. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings later. Trust your instincts when a client doesn't feel right. If something feels off in a consultation or contract, pay attention. That feeling matters. Define your ideal client. Who inspires you? Who values your vision? Who makes you want to show up fully? Identify your ideal clients and market to them intentionally. When you start attracting the right clients, the change is immediate. Work becomes easier, faster, and more creative. Projects feel fun again. You're not just trading time for money, you're creating something meaningful. Be sure to head over to burgreenphotography.com/money for free resources on knowing how much money you need to make so that you can start saying no to the wrong clients and yes to the right ones. A turning point for me came when I stopped compromising and started prioritizing alignment over income. It was scary at first. I worried about losing revenue, but the creative freedom that followed was incredible. I produced better work, clients were happier, and my energy returned. The right clients aren't just people who pay, they're partners in your creative journey. They respect your voice, challenge you to grow, and let you do your best work. Now let's be real, saying no is hard. Money talks, especially when it's consistent, reliable income. It's tempting to take a project even if it doesn't feel right. I've been there, looking at a contract that promised steady work, but the terms felt restrictive. The energy required felt wrong. We had to make a tough call and say no. And instead, we chose to invest our energy into our own projects, like building this YouTube channel. It was so scary, but the creative freedom we gained was worth it. And finally, what made it click for me, what took me so long to truly understand, was that I had been chasing security over freedom. I thought saying yes to everything, even projects that didn't feel right, was the smart, safe move. Consistent money felt like security. But what it was really costing me was my creativity, my energy, and my joy. When I started listening to myself instead of the fear, I asked, does this project feed me? Will it let me grow? Will it honor my skills and vision? And when I started finally saying yes only to the things that truly mattered and no to the rest, things changed. Not just my work, but how I felt every single day. I realized that real security isn't a paycheck. It's freedom, confidence in my value, and creative control over my life. This is where valuing yourself comes in. Once I started asking for higher rates and trusting my work, something incredible happened. The right clients didn't push back. They recognized my value and often paid even more than I expected. They don't try to negotiate you down. They respect your time, your skills, and your vision. The right clients aren't just people who pay, they're partners in your creative journey. They respect your voice, challenge you to grow, and let you do your best work. Saying no to the wrong clients isn't just about protecting your energy. It's about choosing projects that let you thrive financially and creatively, and stepping into the value you bring as a professional. I don't want you to get the wrong idea. I'm not saying that every job has to speak to me on some deep personal level. I don't get to just walk around taking the pictures I want and calling it art. Sure, I can take photos for myself when I'm out traveling, which reminds me, be sure to head to the shop for our travel photography guide. It's a great way to support the channel while learning, creating, and elevating your skills. But I also work for clients who have goals, brands, and visions of their own. I create content that tells their story, that serves their message. And it's not always something that's personally meaningful to me in a direct way. But when I have a solid relationship with a client, one built on trust and mutual respect, it becomes meaningful. Because then it's about connection. It's about using my creativity to make something that matters to them. And that, to me, is deeply fulfilling. That's the difference between just taking a job and creating something that aligns with my purpose. When you focus on the clients who align with your values, you stop overextending, you protect your energy, and your creativity thrives. Success isn't just about money or volume. It's about growth, impact, and creative alignment. The right clients don't just pay your bills. They unlock your potential and your freedom. Be sure to head over to bergenphotography.com/money for free resources on getting a handle on your business budget. That's a crucial step to your freedom journey. It's a mindset shift. The right clients give you freedom. The freedom to create, the freedom to say yes to projects that inspire you, and the freedom to live your life intentionally. So think about your current clients. Are they helping you grow or draining you? It's okay to make changes. Choosing alignment over easy money is the first step towards true creative freedom. Because let's be honest, easy money is never really easy. It always comes with headaches, compromises, and energy drains that you didn't anticipate. So take a moment today to reflect on your clients and your creative journey. Are you working with people who lift you up or hold you back? The right clients will set you free. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep rising higher. I'll see you in the next Creative Freedom of Mind video.